This illustrates how to create the application for the Hello World Challenge. Note that in the requirements, we are to follow a naming scheme for the application and the main class. It is to begin with your paw print, first letter uppercase, all of the remaining letters lowercase, followed by Hello World in camel case. And inside of the application, it is to print out Hello World exclamation point with the H capitalized and the W capitalized. And finally, once the application has been created, it is to be zipped. So we go find the project folder, and we need to submit the entire project folder. So we will right click on the project folder and convert a zip file or create a zip file based on the project folder's name. To begin, launch NetBeans. Select File, New Project. In the Java category, we want a Java application. If this is the first time we're using this, it'll activate it. And now we need to name our application. And again, looking at the requirements, we need to follow them exactly. So the naming should be just like this right here. Paw print, first letter uppercase, remaining letters lowercase, followed by Hello World. So this is going to be the project name. And when we do this, the project name also becomes the project folder name, and it becomes the main class inside of the application, and a package is created. Now the package is all lowercase, but it's still the same letters, the paw print followed by Hello World. And this is what we want. We want the project name and the package name to be the same, although the case is different, and we want the main class to be the same as the project name. So click Finished, or Finish, and this is the code that is automatically written for us. Again, looking at the project, it's our paw print, first letter uppercase, remaining letters lowercase, Hello World. Inside of it is a package, which is the same name, but it is all lowercase. And then inside of that is our main class, public class. And here's the paw print again, first letter uppercase, the remaining letters lowercase, followed by Hello World. And then here is our main function inside the main class. And this is where we are going to put system out print line, and then following the requirements, Hello World exclamation point, and each line in Java ends with a semicolon. We're going to test this by running it. It builds successfully. It displays Hello World exclamation point. I'm going to find this, and it is located inside of my personal folder. Now I'm on a Mac, and so I've got to find my home folder, so I can say go, and then all my files. Let's see, I have here, well, I can go to computer, and there is my hard drive, and there's users, and there's Dale. And inside of this is my NetBeans projects. On Windows, you'd have to navigate differently to wherever you specified your projects are going in NetBeans. But this is my project folder. And notice the name again, paw print, first letter uppercase, rest of the letters lowercase, Hello World. And if I were to open this, it has all of the pieces of my project. So there's my source directory, there's my package, there's my Java main class file. If I were to open this in a plain text editor, it'd be the same code we were looking at inside of NetBeans. We need to have you submit the entire project. All of these files need to be submitted so we can open up your project just as you were using it and work with it. So right click and compress on a Mac, or right click send to zip file on Windows. This is what is to be submitted on Blackboard.